everybody that comes over here tells me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods and rainbows and gumdrops, but when they get out of when they get out, they turn into a completely different person.
I never missed a court date. The ones that I have had, I don't care where I'm at. If I have to drive a million miles, I would drive a million miles to show up for court because I don't want to be in this position.
Yes, Judge. And I actually spoke with
Thanks.
the bonds person on this case in Alabama. Apparently there was a mistake in the reset dates, and she didn't get the reset date, neither did Mr. Stubbs, and the attorney who got it withdrew and didn't tell anyone that he withdrew. So he never got the information over to Mr. Stubbs. And on this particular case, there's only been one court date that Mr. Stubbs went to, and this would have been the second one that he didn't know about, which is why he didn't go up to Alabama for it.
Wait a second. So you're telling me that there was an original lawyer that represented him in the
In Alabama.
case?
In Alabama, no judge.
Okay. So
Yes.
Well, I'll wait until.
yeah, let's wait till I guess he comes out so he can tell me.
Sounds good.
So I guess he just didn't make his court date in Alabama is what it.
Can't just take, I just can't take their word for it. Obviously, if I have it in writing, and obviously if they withdraw.
Of course.
Can't do it.
Have you spoken to anyone?
They confirmed it on the teletype. I checked. They want him held on no bond. They want to get extradited.
It looks like he's got two serious cases here
He
too.
has
Yes.
in 5 different states, Judge.
Oh,
So I'll wait until.
yeah. Prior fugitive. Okay. He's an interesting name.
Ivernal.
It's Invernal?
When I was speaking with the bonds lady, she called him Ivernal, so I think it's Ivernal.
Good morning, Mr. Stubbs.
How you doing?
How are you?
Okay, you sir?
Is it Ivernal, Invernal?
It's Ivernal.
Ivernal. That's an interesting name.
Thanks.
Interesting.
It's different.
All right, so Mr. Stubbs, it looks like you are wanted out of Alabama for,
The possession of marijuana first degree theft.
wow.
Because of the amount. It didn't
Is
say.
it a capital weed case?
I don't know how much it is, Judge.
Yeah. So it looks like you're wanted for a first degree possession of marijuana case. What would you like, Miss Oko?
So, Judge, we would like for a bond to be set for him to get out. Of course, I know on this particular case, he has made the one court date that has actually been set according to his bonds lady, and this would have been the second one, but due to issues happening with the court itself, there is a change of staffing at the jail, according to the bonds lady. And so they had issues with court resets, and they sent out wrong court dates, and people just didn't make those court dates because they never got it. And that's why Mr. Stubbs is here today. He is more than capable of going to his court date in Alabama, taking care of this warrant. And he does hope to get his bond renewed in Alabama because this was a mistake on their end. So he just wants a low bond so that he can pay it, take care of Alabama, and then come on back to his family here in Houston.
Do you have a lawyer in Alabama?
Somehow my lawyer got sick. Somehow he got sick and he was taking off my case. So instead of them sending my case to someone in the law firm with him, somehow I was appointed a court appointer.
And I know the new name.
What I would suggest, the thing is though, is that if they made a mistake, then many times they'll own up on the mistake and reinstate and release the hold.
That's what the lawyer was trying to get the hold released, him and the bondsman. They've been working together to try and get it released.
So what I would do is use, I mean, because now here, I don't know if I'm going to give you a bond, Mr. Stubbs. I got to tell you that I take this extremely serious, right? I don't know you. I've never met you before. Everybody that comes over here tells me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods and rainbows and gumdrops, but when they get out, they turn into a completely different person. And my main concern is public safety. That's what I want, right?
I'll tell you firsthand, I'm an adult, sir.
I'm sorry?
I'm an adult. So therefore, I never missed a court date. The ones that I have had, I don't care where I'm at. If I have to drive 1,000,000 miles, I would drive 1,000,000 miles to show up for court because I don't want to be in this position. First of all,
In and
I
out
have
for some reason, and I don't know why.
for
But
mistakes the courts made.
tell me, how long has this warrant been open?
The warrant's been open since January 2024. It was a month before he picked up 2 felonies in our jurisdiction, impeding breath for a family.
So that warrant's been open since January.
Yes, Your Honor. And then a month after, he picked up 2 felonies in our jurisdiction, an assault family member, impeding breath, and an evading motor vehicle. He said 3 failure to ID out of 2 different jurisdictions, and he had a prior fugitive case in 2006. Because of all those factors, I believe he's the definition of a flight risk. He literally drove away from the police and failed to ID himself at least 3 different occasions in 2 different jurisdictions.
Is that an allegation or something that took place?
Look, the only way that I really get to know you is paper, because that really tells me who you are. What you tell me now goes in here, goes in there, because I never met you before, right? So that's how I really get to know you. But the problem is this warrant from Alabama has been open for a year.
It's been open for 3 years.
No, the warrant that was been issued in this case. You've had an entire year
You're,
to take care
I
of this.
never knew about the warrant because my bondsman wasn't contacted, nor was I contacted because
They're
the
not-
lawyer
That's
fell
what-
off the face of the earth.
It's your responsibility. No one is going to call you, hey, Mr. Stubbs, it's time to take care of this criminal case. Come on, man, it's time to take care of it. Criminal cases don't work like that, man. When you hire a lawyer, you hire them to defend you, and the more money you spend, the better representation you get, and the more you pay to get babied, right? Like these really grandiose lawyers, they will baby the heck out of you, right? Because you pay for it.
All the courts basically, and every day until they tell me I have a new court date, or is my lawyer.
Yeah, if that's what it takes, then yes.
but Judge, and I wanted to say in his defense, the bonds lady did state that he had been in contact with her as per the new court date, whenever new court date was set out. And when they issued out the court date, she didn't know about it until he missed it. He didn't know about it until he missed it. He has been in contact with his bonds lady in Alabama. And what I can do is I can reach out to his attorney. I believe his name is Chris Albert. I will reach out to him in Alabama and see if I can get some sort of written correspondence from a prosecutor in Alabama. That way they can kind of rectify this whole thing.
That would I just, not only do you have 2 open cases here, but you've also said he picked up other cases in other states as well?
No, I'm saying he has history in 4 other states. He's had,
History in 4 other states?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not from Texas. I just moved here. I haven't been in trouble in over 12 years,
You've got 2 open felony cases. It's
And
been open since February.
Take them to trial right now today because when those allegations, I was in jail.
Dude, let's not talk about, don't talk about the cases.
Trial now. I'm guilty to prove innocent, right?
Let's do this. Ms. Chisholm, can we roll it to tomorrow? Will you reach out and see if it is a true error in their part? Maybe
Absolutely.
we'll release the hold.
Yes, Judge.
I don't feel comfortable. This thing's been open for a year. You've known it's been open for a year. Now the only reason you want to take care of it is because we got you, when you should have
I never
been
knew
proactive.
I never knew I had a warrant.
It's okay. And Judge, I'll get some written correspondence. Hold on, Mr. Stubbs. Mr. Stubbs, hold on. I'm gonna get some written correspondence to that effect. That way we can have something on paper. And if we can't get it on paper, then we'll take it on from there. But I'll do my best to reach out to Alabama folks.
Mr. Stubbs, she's great. That's why we have her working with us to try to help resolve these issues. If they can, hopefully they'll release the hold.
Yes, Judge. I'll start working on it now, but we'll roll it till tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
So I will have to come back to court tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I will be deprived of sleep, held under duress, and still have to go through the same. I haven't eaten since Wednesday.
You've been eating since Wednesday?
Don't eat meat. They only bring you bologna sandwiches. I'm tired of going through it, Judge. I don't do anything
I don't know
wrong.
if they have vegetarian.
I haven't been in any trouble.
They have vegan stuff in jail.
When you peanut butter and jelly, they don't. They only give you that on the door. And if I'm here at court, how am I going to eat?
I work in jail. They have vegan meals.
But if I'm in court, how do I get a hot
So
train?
let's see, you can have someone give you commissary.
Johnny's.
You have commissary?
I can't go to commissary. I haven't been to commissary. I've been here a week.
Oh, you just got arrested.
I just got arrested I just got here last Wednesday. I was extradited from Dallas County to here.
Oh, so you weren't even here in Dallas.
I
You
wasn't
weren't even
here, so I did 10 days. They actually had dropped the warrant. Somehow I have a fugitive charge with a new case number that's not even the case number in Alabama.
That actually makes sense because we wouldn't have filed ours unless he made bond and we had no other interstate. So that makes sense.
And I'll tell you, it's going to continue to happen
Yeah.
eternally until you get back over there.
I mean, I think my lawyer died, so that I heard. I have a paid lawyer. I feel that my case should have went to.
If you got a paid lawyer and they drop the ball, then you need to go file a complaint with the state
I
bar.
just found this out.
Mr. Stubbs, we're gonna try and take care of it on our end, okay?
I've got Ms. Oko working
All
on
right.
it. Okay.
Yes. So
All right.
he can go back. He can go back. Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you, Ms. Oko.
Yes, sir. Might be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.